Hey, what's up guys, Camaro Boss here, and I'm sitting in my Ford Explorer XLT 99, year 99, and I'm just sitting here. I just got done cleaning off my car. Well, not really. The snow is fucking horrible. Like, I went out, like, I made a video, but I failed at it because I got a call in the middle of it, so I was gonna remake it. It is horrible, but my Ford Explorer is somewhat out. It's got to do the roof, and I'll be done. I'm going in for now. After this, it's nice and snug in here. Well, I have 2 layers of pants under here. I'm wearing my shoes, and my toes are kind of freezing. I was listening to music. I have the heat on as high as it can go. Feet warmers, face, and other shit. So yeah, there's my neighbor. He's just trying to get his cars. He has 3. He has the V8 Titan over there, Nissan. He has a Lincoln that's buried over there, and he has a Chevy Impala that's also buried over there. There's some people that have to get out. And then other friends that are here. My buddy Mario, his Camaro is buried under the snow. I can show you. But I'm not going to. But I'm going to go outside and show you guys the outside of my car. Done. Pretty much all I do is get the roof, and it should be done. Stuff I'm using. Going in. It's fucking freezing. I'm gonna go get some fucking hot cocoa or some coffee or something. And alright guys, so it is 22 degrees outside. It's really cold. Well, not too cold. So that's it guys. I'll be doing a video later of me walking around in this snow, showing you. There was earlier there was a tow truck that slid straight down the hill. Like, it was towing another car to this lot, and it just kept on sliding down and couldn't make the turn because it wasn't getting any traction. That's how bad it is here. And over there by the walkway, it's like more than a foot. It's like 2 feet, and my feet, my feet just sink up to here. Alright guys, so yeah, I'll be making a video later, and stay tuned.